Hey witches, this is Dawn. Thank you so much for stopping by. I thought I would do a witchy haul. I've seen a lot of other people do it and it seems like something that people really like, and it's fun to see what people find at like the Dollar Tree store or Walmart or whatever, and thrifting and how they put it together into some sort of witchy kind of theme. So I will show you what I found. So first off, I went to Goodwill and found these little vases. Oh my gosh, I love these things. I have a few of them and I can't get enough, right? I just can't get enough. How cute is that? See, I have a lot of flowers around here and a lot of them are big, like irises and black-eyed Susans and things like that. But I also have growing around here a lot of little flowers, so it's a little vase. So I like these little bud vases, I guess is what they call it, or for the smaller flowers, so that I can put them around the house. Isn't that cute? And have little flowers. Fresh flowers are just so uplifting. And I know there's some people, oh, you should never pick flowers and, you're harming the plant and stuff like that. But I don't agree with that. I talk to my plants. I always talk to them and I bless them and I thank them for being here and being a bright spot in my life. And so when I cut their flowers, I thank them for the flowers and I tell them how beautiful their flowers are. And I thank them for brightening up and lightening up my home. And so I feel like that is a good thing. So anyway, I got those vases, and then I also at the dollar store, these little bottles with the little corks. Aren't they cute? So I thought maybe I could figure out a little something, a charm or something, put something inside, make little spell bottles. And they also had a larger size, so I thought I'd mess around with those and see what's going on with that. Now, one of the things I had in mind was to make a powder that I can sprinkle on my candle. So every time I light my candle, I would sprinkle it with this powder and then light the candle. But the opening is so small on this. I think what I'm going to do is just use it as a spell bottle and put it in a sachet or my pocket or something like that and seal around the top, because the opening is just so small and the amount that goes in there is just so small, so it's not really usable for me. What I did do is get some of these. They're larger and with a bigger mouth on top, so I'm going to use these for the powder. You have to really watch the dollar store, the prices, the amount that you're getting and the quality and all of that. So you've got these from the dollar store. There are 4 in a package for $1. Walmart, they look exactly the same. You get 3 for $1. So you're getting more for your money at the dollar store. But it's not always that way. So you just have to be conscious of the price and what you're getting and the amounts and everything. So here's some larger spell bottles. So I'm going to play around with these and see what size I like better. And I'm sure, I can probably put this on my altar, and the other ones are smaller so they can go in my pocket a little bit easier. But I don't know because of the glass. Anyway, I picked up some of these. This is good for journaling. I do some painting in my journals, and so this helps in holding the pages open. But this would be good for like holding your book of shadows open or your grimoire. Like if you're reading or doing some sort of spell work, it'll hold the book open. Then I found these little guys. What are they called? Organza bags. They're great for putting like a little spell kit in the bag. So that's why I got these, is because I'm putting together a little spell kit. I did a video earlier on the patons that I'm creating, and I measured with the pendulum how much energy was coming off the paton. So now I know which one has the most energy coming off of it. I'm going to be using that. So I'm going to make the painting. The painting will go inside here along with the candle and candle holder and spell paper and all that good stuff. Next thing is I found this. So make little, what do they call these? Gree bags. Aren't they made out of like red flannel or something like that? This is a similar material. I don't think it's flannel. It's from the dollar store, Dollar Tree. I guess there's a difference. There's Dollar General and then there's Dollar Tree. But I don't think this is cotton at all. Doesn't really say what it is. So, but it's red, and I like red for spell bags. And then I was at Walmart, and I'm just walking around looking at stuff, and this kind of caught my eye. This is kind of cool. Well, so I thought maybe I could burn this for fun. I'm working on a money, financial success kind of spell that I'm putting together. So this would help a lot, I think. And it smells like hand lotion. I'm not sure where it comes from or, you know, if there's anything special about it. This is a label that's been glued on. So it's not like it's painted onto the glass, which I think a lot of other, what are they, botanicals, where you can get candles like this. I think they paint on the glass instead of have a label. But I think it works just the same. And I think it would be fun to burn. The other things that I got aren't really witchy. But these paints that are showing up at the dollar store, Dollar Tree store, there are different. This is more like a mustard rather than a yellow. And this is more like a brick color rather than red. So I thought I'd try them out. Be fun, okay? So that's it. I will put together some videos once I start putting together the spell kit, because I've got paper that I make and of course the painting that I put together, so I can show you all that if you're interested. So that's really all I've got. This is another short video, but I think that's great, right? So that's all I've got. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you so much for your comments. And do something today that brings you joy and makes you feel good. I love you all. And until next time, blessed be.